Welcome to Workday Payroll, Payroll Processing, Calculate Payroll. In this session, we'll review the Run Pay Calculation task, Payroll Calculation options, and Payroll Calculation statuses. To run a pay calculation, you'll need to access the Run Pay Calculation task. After selecting the pay period and pay group detail, you can select the employees to calculate based on one of these options: Smart Calculation based on events, based on result status, or workers. Your selection here streamlines the process and ensures that you're picking up all required changes in the calculation. The Smart Calculation option processes workers who you haven't yet calculated in the period and workers who require recalculation based on changes to their data. The Smart Calculation based on events option allows you to select specific events to calculate. The Based on Result Status option allows you to select one or more result statuses to calculate. For example, you can recalculate workers with an error status to make sure that the error was resolved. Finally, the Workers option allows you to select specific workers in the pay period and pay group whose pay results are not on hold or completed. As you process payroll and run calculations, you'll notice workers associated with various calculation statuses. These statuses help you track the progression of workers through the payroll process. When you calculate payroll for one or more pay groups, the calculation status grid displays the number of workers in each status. In progress is the first status you'll notice. A payroll result exists for the worker, but it is not complete. The waiting status indicates that there are in-progress retro results not included in the pay result. You need to recalculate the pay result and complete retro before you can complete payroll. Workers will be in a requires recalculation status if you make a change to the payroll. You must recalculate the payroll before completing it. The pending completion status indicates that the payroll process cannot continue until you complete other in-progress results. Next is the in-error status. You cannot calculate payments if there is missing or invalid data. An in-error status commonly occurs if a worker's net pay falls below zero. An on-hold status means that workers' payroll results are on hold. Workday does not pay them, and the result is held until you reverse the status. The last status is completed and indicates that the pay calculation, payroll accounting, and payroll complete tasks have run for the result. You can select any number in blue. It is a link to details about each worker with that status. In this example, there are 20 workers in progress. I'll select the number to review the details. In this session, we reviewed the Run Pay Calculation task, available payroll calculation options, and payroll calculation statuses. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.